Yes, good morning. Today we are showing our project that is based on the Indian monsoon, and it is made by our three crew members. Those are Anshuman Pradhan, Nandadulal Raul and Om Prakash Jena, who were guided by Ratan sir. Let's see how was our project. First part about the arrival of monsoon in India. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, which means season. Monsoon is the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. Now, this picture shows that the atmospheric conditions over the Indian subcontinent in the month of January. We can see that the southwest monsoon is heading towards India from the southwest direction. Now, next slide. In this slide, it shows the atmospheric conditions over the Indian subcontinent in the month of June. And we can see here the southwest monsoon heading towards India in towards the Arabian Sea, and the northeast monsoon is also arriving towards the Arabian Sea, and they are subtropical westerly jet stream which uh, are coming from the Mediterranean Sea. Now there are some facts related to monsoon. The first fact is the differential heating and cooling of land and water creates low pressure on the landmass of India, and the seas experience high pressure. Now the next fact is that the shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone in summer over the Ganga plains. The third fact is the Tibetan Plateau gets intensely heated during summer, which results in strong vertical and air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau. As we know that where the temperatures rises, the air pressure at that point also decreases. Now the fourth fact is the presence of the high pressure area in the east of Madagascar at 20° over the Indian Ocean. In this picture we can see that the creation of high pressure in the side of the Madagascar island. Now the fifth fact is the movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of Himalayas and the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. Means we can see that here both the winds are moving in opposite directions in the north and in the south. Now this slide will give us some information that what is ITCZ. Its full form is Intertropical Convergence Zone. In this slide, we will know that what is Intertropical Convergence Zone. It is a broad trough of low pressure in equatorial latitudes. That means it's a type of zone in the equatorial region where there is a creation of low pressure because of the increase in temperature near equators. Now this slide tells us that what is SO, Southern Oscillation. Southern Oscillation is the periodic change conditions in the eastern South Pacific Ocean and the eastern Indian Ocean, and this is known as Southern Oscillation. Now we will see that where the Southern Oscillation takes place. The difference in pressure over Tahiti and Darwin in Australia is used to predict the intensity of monsoons. This also gives up another fact about the El Nino. Now we can see in this slide that what we'll learn about El Nino. El Nino is the periodic development of a warm ocean current along the coast of Peru. It means the El Nino word stands for the meaning baby or Christ as it starts flowing during Christmas. Now, what factors does El Nino lead to? The presence of El Nino leads to an increase in sea surface temperatures and weakening of the trade winds in the region. Trade winds are the easterly flowing winds, means the easterly jet streams. In this picture, we can see the El Nino's effect. The By pointing my mouse, I can show you that this region, wet and warm, this shows the effect of the El Nino in the Peru region coast, and this is dry because of the El Nino, because it was already told that El Nino causes warm ocean currents. So this part will be warm, and this part will have effects on the coast of Peru. Now let's see what is in the next slide. In this slide we can see that in the top it shows what happens in the normal year, and sorry, it's by mistake. And in the first it shows what happens in a normal year, and this picture shows that what happens in a El Nino year. We can see that the warm ocean currents in a normal year is formed in the Papua New Guinea country, means in the north of Australia, at this region. But in an El Nino year, the warm ocean current is made at this point, that is in the coast of Peru. It's totally different in directions. Thank you. This was our project made by our group in the video showing. So please wait. If you have any queries related to our video or our project, then you can ask us. So thank you.